Hello, this is a short video summarizing the results of the Spring 2018 RBE501 soldering robot project. The main goal of this project was to develop the tools and code required to take a digital printed circuit board design, import the locations of surface mount solder pads, generate a trajectory for the ABB RBE120 robot, and finally deposit solder paste onto the physical board. You are about to see a short demonstration of the robot depositing solder paste onto a test printed circuit board. Before we get to the demo, let's review the background processes that were developed over the past semester that enabled this successful demonstration. The process starts by running a new Gerber importing software that pulls the location, size, and shape of each solder pad from the Gerber file and provides them via ROS to the robot controller. Second, a camera is used in conjunction with printed markers on the circuit board to scan the task space and generate offsets between the board and the robot base. Next, the robot uses this information to generate trajectories to each solder pad via forward and inverse kinematics, as well as the solder paste duration time based on the size of the solder pad. Finally, control of the end effector tool and tool changing is accomplished with a new manual/ROS pneumatic solenoid controller.